Thomians happy to not chase it, but that's knocked on. But play continues. Number 6 punts it. Will it be a try for him?
ලංකාවේ SLS තත්ත්ව සහතිකින් පිදුම්ලත් ස්විස්ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League
between Science College and St. Thomas's College. Both the teams are looking to register their second win of the season. The St. Thomas's College starting 15 for this encounter. The forwards Sithil Perera, Ayan Perera, Kavisha Lenagala, Jahan Vanigasuri, Akesh Fernandu, Tulsi Alvihare.
Science College completing the packs is Dhananjay Sahan, Silna Sadesh, Tarush Galage, Praveen Taksala, Nalaka Magage, Sitara Madhusanka.
11 conversions and 11 penalties in that season, so he's one of the key players for them. And here's the kick-off of this encounter between St. Thomas's and Science.
Number 8 breaks off, tries to go for the blind side, makes a few meters, and that's try number 1 for St. Thomas's College. And post a counter-attack to that early try from St. Thomas's College. Works the ball here to the line. Collected by centre, works it. Number 15 takes it, tries to cross that defender, and it's try number 1 for Science College. Easy as you'd like. That's number 15.
In between the two defenders that gave the Luan Pereira the chance to go, and he himself converts that try. So 7 points to 5.
If they stick to their previous strategy, again, this time that defensive line holds up, but too little too late, and it's try number 2 for the Thomians. And that was a Amana Bank try. It's going to be a long day for them. They're still in the first half. They're being utilized very, very well. St. Thomas is getting their money's worth.
Not releasing, says the referee, so more advantage coming towards St. Thomas's College. Will they go for the 3 points?
Again, not to be. And that's half-time. 35 minutes on the clock. The scoreline.
So that's the half-time score confirmation. St. Thomas's 13, Science 7. St. Thomas's College will be disappointed that we missed out on 7 points in that first half.
Coloma, beautiful outside and inside.
They missed out on a lot of points as well. Science College also missed out on some opportunities. And here's the first kick of the second half from Dilruwan Pereira. And a little slip up there after making the collection. You'll be glad that he managed to collect it cleanly.
Near those few yards is where it counts. Number 9 collects it. Off to number 10 now. 15 collects it. Can he make it?
Dilruwan Pereira will go over for his second try of the game. Well, then they will go into that lead.
This is really, really good stuff. Will he add 2 more to this very, very slim lead? He'll be hoping, and he does. That's 2 more points. Gonna be so at the end of day's play, but will it be worth it? Will St. Thomas's College have try number 2? Try number 3, pardon. And there they have it. Another Amana Bank try. And it's hard fought. Make no mistake about that. With fine margins such as this, tempers are bound to flare. That's natural, that's part of the game. But as elder statesmen of both schools, they need to make sure that they don't let the temperament get the best of them. No whistle as of yet. Does he make it? Not quite, but just a few breaths away. And they have it. Another Amana Bank try for St. Thomas's College. And the point tally goes up to 23-14. And 2 more points on the board. Thomians happy to not chase it, but that's knocked on. But play continues. Number 6 punts it. Will it be a try for him? And it is! Another Amana Bank try for St. Thomas's College. This has been hard fought right from their own 22. The sweet time going for those setups.
And that's the try. The third try Science College was searching for. They need to show a lot more in Science College to keep things moving smoothly and keep them.
Does it go wayward? Nope. Dead eye. Just a little bit over 90 seconds on our clock. Number 10 makes a mammoth run for it. And the winger gives it everything, punts it.
And that was a late tackle as well, so more advantage coming towards Science College. And it's going to be a card. Who is it? Bulat Sinhalage, he'll have to wait out for the rest of the game.
Yeah, he's about to have an earful from the Science camp.
Science College takes the tap, gives the pass out, and he will go. The number 3 for Science College, Ravindu. He goes over.
This
for
is
the
what
second try in this game. High tackle, advantage for high tackle. Science College, they are going. Still going, the ball still available for Science. Just few meters short, desperate defending from St. Thomas's here. Science College still with possession. What can they do? Can they go over for the try? Can they go over for the try? Still no try. And that will be the final whistle. St. Thomas's College by the barest of margins. They get over. They get the W by 4 points. Science College falling short just right at the end. They were so close. St. Thomas's College 5 tries, 1 successful conversion and 1 penalty. And Science College 4 tries and 3 conversions. And the NDB Bank player of the match, Senesh Kalina Gunwardana from St. Thomas's College, was scoring 2 tries.
ටයිල් නම් නියමට මැච් කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ටයිල් ඇල්ලුවේ මොනවද?
ඕනෑම මතු පිටකට ඕනෑම තත්වයකට ජීවිත කාලයටම ඔරොත්තු දෙන්න අල්ලගන්න. ලංකාවේ SLS තත්ත්ව සහතිකයෙන් පිදුම්ලත් එකම ටයිල් ඇඩෙසිව් සන්නාමය. ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩෙසිව්. අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.